UMLA ke North Shillong constituency uba adal bet nongrum haka kat arterik jeliau arhajar arpusau. Ulalit banbo da kejung ujor persya ekishpongut ki head officer ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited ha Meghalaya Lokayokta halor kejung kenok dan keti ban pedan kambakla yaka sobhagya scheme. Habakran gelat patai kubor uba adal bet nongrum ulong banakliang ke sorkar pedeng galamang cispa san pun riu klor tengka ya ke jelama Meghalaya na kebenta ka sobhagya scheme bala IT haki artli ki company kata ka Satnam Global Infra Project Limited New Delhi bat ko Onicon Enterprise Mumbai ban pentri kam ya kene kam hakas nam arhajar kapra. Nrai ka jing penan kam bakla ya kene ka scheme ka penpau haka kai pod UCAG ke belawan ra haki yang darbar hakas nam ke belalai. Hagani kejung ujor la kadau persya ekishpongut ki officer keberan benta ha ketua kesenam jong ka MEECL nalor Chief Secretary Additional Chief Secretary bapet ya katenat permit boarding UCMD ke MEECL bat ki director jong kisnat bapher ke MEECL director ke MEECL distribution Chief Engineer Distribution Company Secretary Chief Engineer Rural Electrification Chief Accounts Officer ne Deputy Chief Accounts Officer, Additional Chief Engineer Material Management, but you Additional Chief Engineer Planning but Design ke MEPDCL. Bagi day ban syak penstom kat kum kaan halor kejing pendan kam bakla ya kene ke scheme.
Hakabai day bat ka bagi yatip lang barok ta subhagya scheme. Dengan ngomong subhagya scheme ngomong subhagya scam. Baling ong ta kani unnecessary class long no avoidable expenditure ka bomday banlot hakata ka 156 crore ti kani ngla persam non ra apo ka house kum legislator represent ka voice to people karangi mekren po ka house hey ngi dia keren ti henry ngalawan ra ru lemba ka privilege ka bangayo kum legislator lemba ka rules 130 mangila ban wanra yo no ka report Henry ka paso pala par kalong honorable speaker jong ka assembly jong ka state umsam la sya lembaga rules and procedure of the assembly 241 kati ka bamdon ni kabam karen syai ban ong babar yo nono legislator ban debate de non ra no report ban ya karen de ban debate ka paso pala kalong pa ladang mangikom til legislator ngimla ban karen hapo hay ni karen pa di Henry hakani ka juk subject kalalit muta spo ka high court butang brom manum ko abang keren ye ispangani ninga ko keren specifically hani ka por ka mawan ra pangwan ban lodge ka complain lemau chairman jo kalau ta makani ka judiciary ni haban pau ka jing burom lembau ana hazari boleh yaki bandawa ya ka lokpal hagi ti por amar kani lokayuk ta ka deka yeng shari jempai ba but nagbaburom po Meghalaya ba Michael CM ila shim ya initiative ban pressure yung government at that point of time to gisnam gibalik no but lala ya kaban pulongan to ba sosi pat ba kani ka lokay ta matang ko ban tipin lakan trekam na yam katkum ka spirit namar kajik tumu jo kani ka longban eradicate ya ka corruption tingam tip lakani ka office kandai siya kata purely independent body namar ngitip ka constitutional body ka statutory body gamanumla ban tuklar pat da kumoi kengit scam ba ngawan ru ni ka por kalong bangan dawai ka hok kamtam pai ba namar bangangit bagai MDA government ka dep keren syai bahkan wanra ka transparency and accountability tingin pet ke bahkan ni kalau kai ta hadukan no kalaban air ta kejing syakri ka bohok hakaban pengat ita ki brio ki badon hakta ki kam ka bamaki kilale namar paling kani ka dei ka bang pa pun pau kani ka complain ka dei halor ki sipo banta jong ka office lemba chief secretary to the government of Meghalaya atau additional chief secretary power to the government of Meghalaya chairman managing director Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited Director Distribution Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited Chief Engineer Distribution MEPDCL Chief Engineer Rural Electrification MEPDCL Company Secretary MEPDCL Chief Accounts Officer Deputy Chief Account Officer MEPDCL Additional Chief Engineer Material Management MEPDCL, Additional Chief Engineer Planning and Design. Kini di Shipho ngot kiba ngabu yang complain. Kani kadai during the tenure of 2018. Kamda ya ka present. Mo. Di halo ni ka benta ngawan ni ka por kalong ba ngan lodge yan ka complain. Namar ba kani ka kumang labatay fi mane. Ba kadai ka report ka bala submit lamba CEG. CEG kadai ka constitutional body. 4 ju labru ban ong bakla. Di menta labar ring apat bangam dei ban keren. Ani ban debate. Ani nunu ki member ki mak makadong PEC. Tilda ki member jang PEC kila bande ya tak investigation ani kila ban carry out ya kata ka matter mo bat ki habin wan rai ka report adian tikai ka kamram jigi pat ki legislator pat hako ka house. Kani ko mo ong kimane karon hako ka court anong ko ban keren. Di kabang ko ban keren siya kalong ba pi nakaliang jong secretary jong government of India. Secretary jong government of India lemba ka video conferencing haga khat sautrik upanai bakhat arja khapra ladap yadoni ka meeting lemba video conferencing lam rekat bat chief secretary jong government of Meghalaya bat ki official bun jong ka MEPDCL bat ladap mana ladap keren syai bamdei ban go ahead bat kani ka tendering process ban tender ya kani ka contract wong kabadai ka rural electrification lembaga subhagya scheme sekinong kendong bamdai ban ya chakmat namar ba ka amount cost kala he namar takadaw dong kam ya departmental secretary dadak agree nakaliang chief secretary jong government of Meghalaya nakaliang ki official jong ka MEPDCL ki adap ban agree lembaga video conferencing baladap ai ka assurances in spite of given assurances ki violate ki go ahead pada tendering process bati alot ya ka kam ki award ka kam haki arteli ki company kata ko bagi tip lembaga turnkey contractor kata ko bagi ke company Onicon Enterprise but ke company jong satanam ti kini kadai ka bang kuak ban pau lomba joki ki press and media bagi pai ba kentip kan nung ini pengkesan ya kata ka jing bamdon corruption kin mau bagi dan arteli na kuak pau ka jing kun ka ba shirkai ba ka ban hakmat ka very challenging ya ka state bat kum ki nongsong sinong jong jala at this very point of time kalong hakini ki arteli kawai kadai kuno ban eradicate ya ka corruption bat ka baar kalong kuno ban eradicate ya ka drugs kini gede ki jing senior ki ban hakmat do ka bangit scam ka lokaita apo ka jalam jong chairman bat ki way pat ki benches ki ba leban sim ban charge hadin menghadap ban lodge yang ni complain ngangit scam bakan don ka judicious ka kahok ka mga kimintingan yo pabandai enong ta kajiman to jonga lekham tam na ka banta ka jela ka barang hiran kan ni kabaga government of Meghalaya present menta kinang sim daki crores ban simram na ka banta ban ron ya ka government tani kintil ka